Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. I am so excited for this video. You guys, this is my fall release order from the Happy Planner. I'm so excited to share this with you. All right, let's dig into this amazing box of Happy Mail. And as we do that, I do want to know how many of you all have placed your order from the fall release. Are you going to place an order? Maybe you're still deciding. Comment below. Let me know. There we go. This box is a little bit difficult to open. And also want to know what what designs and products from this release did you guys really like? So as we go through this, I do have some things like some planners and stuff that I'll be using in 2023. I'll share some of that with you, but I will do an official 2023 planner lineup video later this fall, early winter, once I have everything figured out. Okay, you guys, this is a huge order. This is my one time a year though where I place a really big order. I love the fall release. So we got a lot of different things. How about let's just make a big old stack and then we'll kind of go through it one by one. And then I am going to do separate like flip through videos of all the planners and sticker books. All right, oh my goodness, look at all these stickers and even some washi. Okay, get that out of the way. We'll adjust this down a little bit more and then we'll go through this one by one. And I'm actually gonna save the stickers for last, I think. Let's grab all of just the extras. I got some like filler paper and stuff, so let's grab that first. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to share with you was not part of the fall release. I think this is the only thing I got that wasn't part of the fall release, but I just really liked it. I did get the daily planner. I'll share with you a little bit more of how I want to use that, but I wanted some more just paper and options for planning, you know, on the daily. So this is a block pad actually. And it says, here's the plan. It has where you can put your date, your top 3, other to-dos, and reminders and notes. Looks like this one is kind of coming open. So let's just pull it out of the side there. And I've actually never had a block pad. So we got some bending going on. So this is awesome. So it's a notepad. Oh, is it 2 notepads or it's falling apart? But it's just a notepad where you can pull one sheet off at a time. And I love that it's still hole punch, so you can add it to your planner or you could keep it separate. I believe I plan to add it to my planner. That's kind of what I'm thinking of as of right now. But super excited about that. And then this was the other thing. Other filler paper I got. Again, it's kind of like a daily sheet, or this one's a weekly sheet, I guess, but I imagine myself adding this to my daily planner. We'll see. But it does have the week over here, a block for each day. It has your to-do list and some notes and doodles. And then the other side is going to be a blank lined sheet of paper that just says write it down on the other side. So love that. I always love to get filler paper. And then this filler paper, you guys, this is for a big Happy Planner that I got, which you'll see in a moment. And so I just got this to be able to add extra paper to that. And it's so pretty. It's pretty simple, but beautiful with this design. And it just says noted. And then the other side says start living your dreams. And it has a little elegant flower in the corner too. So super excited about that. Okay, let's do planners next. And then we'll do stickers last. Okay. Ooh. I like that they're quite protected for shipping. And this planner I'm so excited for. I'm excited for everything that I got, really. I got some things that I didn't expect to get, or that I didn't initially think I would get, and this is one of them. Okay, so this is a monthly layout planner. I have never tried a monthly layout planner, not from the Happy Planner anyway, and I really didn't have it on my radar to try, but I'm in a place where I didn't know what to do for my social media planner. I just don't want to be as detailed. I think it was maybe getting a little overwhelming. I would use a dashboard planner for my social media and only use that. And then I have, planners for a lot of other things. But I wanted something simpler, and I was going back and forth between maybe I just add it to my catch-all but have certain sections that are specific to that, or maybe I add pages, but just none of that really felt like it was it. And then when I was looking through the fall release products, I saw this planner and I thought to myself, well, I've never tried their monthly layout. And then I thought, actually, that might be more convenient for me for social media so that I can kind of plan my month, but it doesn't have to be particular to each day. I can say, here's what I want to accomplish that month. And then I can go through the month checking things off and making different notes. So super excited for that, you guys. This one is beautiful. It says, even the stars admire you. And I just love it. It's like simple and elegant. It has the gold. And then I love these discs. Look at that. They're gold glitter. They are plastic. And then, yeah, this will be the monthly layout. So like I said, I'm going to do separate videos to open these planners up and flip through them. So check those out if you want to see these in more detail. Okay, so that was the monthly. Here, you guys, is the daily planner. This is actually the first time I'm getting a daily planner from the Happy Planner as well. I did not get the daily planner with the last release. I think it was the last release, the spring release, when they added their first daily planner. And I didn't get one. I just didn't need one. I already had a full lineup. But I'm super excited to be adding this for next year. And this is so beautiful too. Again, it's pretty simple, but elegant. Or this one maybe a little less elegant. I don't know. It's nice though. It says progress over perfection. And then this one has silver discs, silver plastic. And I think these are my first ever silver discs. Usually I have gold, but I like them a lot. And then this will be the daily layout. And I'm planning to use this one for work. I've been using just a Happy Notes with separate printed daily pages. And so I thought, why not just get the official daily planner for work for next year? And then this is only a 4-month planner. So I did go ahead and get one extension pack. I think the extension pack gives you 3 months worth. Yeah, 3 months worth of adding to this. So I have 7 months of the daily planner, but that's why I bought extra filler paper and that block pad, and I have some other daily pages that I've purchased previously. And I figure I will probably just, go through this, add this, and then I can add other pages as well, just to make this go for the whole year, unless I decide at some point to get another one of these. I think last time though, they sold out of the daily stuff pretty quickly. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do. So this is that extension pack. Really pretty. It comes with a couple sticker sheets, your daily pages, your calendar pages, and then these awesome dividers. Those are so cute. So stay tuned for the flip through of this. All right, last planner that I got. This is the big one. And this is actually another one I've never got. So this is going to be a year of firsts for me, and in this order I got a lot of firsts. So I have had a big Happy Planner before, but I've never had a horizontal layout planner. So what I decided to do, I was looking at their Faith Planner in this release, and or one of them in the release I really liked. So I was actually kind of torn between, it was a classic size Faith Planner and then this, and I decided to go with this one because this year in my 2022 lineup, I've used a big Faith Planner, and I just really like having lots of extra room to write and make notes and write scriptures and all of that. So I was kind of hesitant to have a classic size for next year. So I decided to go with something different. This is not an official faith planner, but it is going to be a faith planner for me. It is, like I said, a horizontal layout, so I'm going to try something new. Each day I'll have the horizontal box to write in during my quiet time. And this one, I really do like this planner though. Look at that. It just says the future begins now. Again, it's pretty simple. You guys can kind of tell the theme that I like. And then here's an example of what that layout will be. And then I got that extra filler paper for days and times when I want to make more notes, or if I'm, attending a faith-based conference or something and I want to keep that in here, I will be able to do that. Okay. Let's talk stickers. Okay, I really had to control myself with the stickers, and I think I did an okay job. I wanted to get about twice as many sticker books as I did, but what I did is I put a ton in my cart, and well, actually I put them on my wish list so that I was prepared once it launched, but I put a ton on my wish list, and then I just looked at them all and I said, okay, you have to start whittling this down because you're not going to buy all of these. So this is what we ended up with. Oh, this is the only like smaller pack of stickers I got. The rest are actual books of stickers, but I had to get these, you guys. These are so gorgeous. The Fall Harvest. So pretty. On the back, here's what they have. And then I'll probably flip through this one with the other fall book that I got. Let's see, where's that one? Right here. The Fall Harvest. This one was I'm pretty sure this one, maybe one other, but this was like number one on my list. This was a must-have for me. It is so gorgeous. It's so calming and just makes me super excited that we are going into fall. So got these two to kind of go together. All right, next we'll stay with this kind of seasonal. I did have to get the Essential Seasons one. Essential Seasons book. I really just like this one too. I don't know, they seem to just be more calm and peaceful overall. And I just really like that. And then of course the summer is really bright and out there though, but that fits well for summer. Awesome. Okay, next, the Lafleur. These ones are really gorgeous. And you guys, I really was wanting to get one of the planners or the Happy Notes in this style, but I didn't. Again, I was looking at everything I wanted and I just had to narrow it down to what I absolutely really wanted and kind of what I needed. I think the Lafleur planner in these gorgeous colors, and it has such a gorgeous cover and everything, but I think it was just a vertical layout, and I'm actually not going to do a vertical layout planner in 2023, so I didn't need it. If you saw one of my recent videos, I did a prayerful planner unboxing. I will link that in the description of this video, but I am going to use a prayerful planner for my main catch-all planner, and that's why I didn't need a Happy Planner vertical. This one is the Deep Botanicals. Really like this one. Just deep, moody stickers. I love those. Okay, and then the Essential Icons. You guys, I love this one. This was probably number 2 on my list. I just love to have little sticker icons to put in my planners, and especially, like I just mentioned, I'm using the Prayerful Planner next year. That one, for some reason, when I had a daily Prayerful Planner, I used the icons a lot. For some reason, just their layout, the way that it's set up, I just love to put little stickers next to my words versus going crazy on the papers, decorating them. So that was partially why I got this one, and they're just so cute. All of the icons are just super cute. All right, just a couple more, you guys. The Getaway Vibes. This was another one where there was planners and maybe even Happy Notes in this style that were really hard to not get, but I just don't need them. So, but I couldn't go away without the stickers because I love traveling and I love adventure, and these stickers are just amazing. They just speak to me. Yes, love them. And second to last thing, I totally forgot about my washi tape. But here is the Tropical Boho sticker book. And this was another one that was pretty high up on my list just because I love tropical. I love anything tropical. And just these bright colors. I figured we'll see how long I can wait to use this, but this does speak a little more like spring and summer to me. And we're going into fall, but with how much I love these stickers, I may not be able to wait that long. So we'll see. And here is the last thing. I did get the LaFleur washi tape. I just thought this was really gorgeous. And again, since I didn't get any of the planners, I'm like, at least I can get the washi and the stickers so I can decorate with these gorgeous colors and these gorgeous florals. All right, you guys, there it is. My largest Happy Planner order of the year and the fall release. Let me know what you think. Did you guys get any of these same planners or stickers? And yeah, I just really want to hear what you guys either have purchased or are planning on purchasing. All right, you guys, well, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.